Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, and today we present Sneaker Sundays. In this episode of Sneaker Sunday, we're talking about another shoe, man, that was crazy, man. A lot of people was looking forward to it coming out, man, and it just came out, man. So you know I had to do a review on it once I got my hands on this shoe. We're talking about the Travis Scott Retro Forge, man, Jordan collaboration, aka the Cactus Jack, man. This shoe is crazy, man. They got a sky blue suede, crazy, great suede on the shoe, great suede on the shoe. I'm about to show you guys in a moment, man. Shoe is crazy, man. Before we get into the shoe, man, I'm gonna need for y'all to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop a new content to the channel. And with that being said, man, ain't nothing else to talk about, man. Let's get into the shoe. Alright, y'all, here go the box. Typical Retro 4 box. See, it's my size 9. Personal pair, flight, you know, got the cement print around the box, borders, you know. Got the Jordan Air right there, the size 9, you already know. You know, but forget about this box, man. Let's get into the shoe, the moment y'all all been waiting for. And here it is, man. The sky blue Retro 4 Travis Scott collaboration, man. This is crazy, man. This shoe is amazing. It looks much better in person. You see, let me show y'all. Yeah, man. See the back, got one Jordan logo. Air Jordan logo. Then it has the Cactus Jack on the other one, man. Shoe is crazy, man. Look at the suede on these joints, man. Fire shoe, man. Fire. I was just happy I was able to get my hands on the pair. I ain't mean to throw it like that, man, but let's get into the shoe, man. As you can see right here, instead of the typical Jordan emblem that it comes with, has a suede Jordan, got the Jordan there. Flip it to the other side, this is Cactus Jack. On this side here, man, got the wax laces, black wax laces on here, not your typical Jordan 4 laces. As you can see, has some splatter print here on the shoe. Splatter print here, splatter print on the other side, man. This shoe is crazy, man. As you can see, you got the netting, black netting. The suede feels amazing, man. Black bottom. As you can see, black with the white bottom. You know, got the flight here. On the inside, let me take this out for you guys. On the inside, this is Travis Scott. On this one, let me see if you guys can get that. I don't know if it caught that. If it caught that, it did. And the inside, also on the insole. Let's see if I can pull that out for you guys, man. I'm pretty much, my first time looking at the shoe. I'm cracking it open with you guys. Before, let me show you guys the sole. As you can see, you got the sole here. The red sole with the sky blue splatter print, man. The Jordan logo. You know, these is fire, man. I can't think of any reason why anybody wouldn't want to get their hands on this shoe, or anybody who wouldn't like this shoe, man. Sky blue, great summertime colorway. Also has the black midsole around it, man, which actually makes the sky blue pop even more with a hint of red. As you can see in the inside here, it has the red, man. This shoe is crazy, man. Dope shoe, man. Dope shoe. This is definitely top 10 release of 2018, man. Let me know if you disagree, man. Leave a comment below if you disagree. If this is a top 10 release of 2018, let me know, man. But these are fire. As you can see, I got the OG 4s in the back. You already know OG 4s in the back. They old. Hopefully they bring them out again this shit so I can get my hands on a fresh pair, man. These is beat up, man. I had these forever. But these right here, man, I can't wait to wear these, man. I'm definitely going to be making a t-shirt, a Penny for Your Thoughts t-shirt to go with these, man, so be on the lookout for that, man. If you guys want to get your hands on that, man, you guys know where y'all can reach us at, man. But gotta rate this shoe, man. Gotta rate it, man. And out of 5 pennies, man, I definitely gotta get this 4.5 out of 5 pennies, man. This shoe is too clean, man. It's definitely a great collaboration, man, from Nike / Jordan brand. The Travis Scott reach out to him, man. Hopefully this is not the only shoe he gets. Hopefully he gets a couple of more other, you know, colorways and everything like that. But these here is something else, man. I heard they were kind of limited, so hopefully everybody who wanted to be able to get their hands on the pair. But after seeing this review, you're gonna want to get your hands on the pair, man. On a resale value, I seen they were going for like $400 this morning, man. So maybe might have went down a little bit after the release, man, because you know it's more pairs. People able to get pairs, stores releasing shoes, so you know. But man, I wouldn't be mad if I had to pay $350 for these, man. I would definitely do it, man. If I really wanted this shoe, man, this shoe is fire. The only thing I don't like is the wax lace. I'm not big on wax laces on any sneaker because they tend to be shorter than other laces, like your normal Jordan 4 lace. So I'd much rather have the regular Jordan 4 lace. I wish they would have gave us 2 laces, but $225 price tag is a little steep, man. But these right here are definitely worth it, man. I'd rather pay $225 plus tax for these than to pay $250 for the Prom Night 11s, man, off rip. So, you know, this is a much better shoe. I feel like you can wear more with this, even though the Prom Night 11 you can pretty much wear anything. It's a black shoe, but this right here these are more the eye catchers right here. You wear these, you want to catch people like, oh, what's those? Oh, what's those? Tapping their man like, yo, you see his feet, man? Those joints is fire, man. These is fire, man. Definitely a great release, man, from Jordan Brand. Jordan Brand has been coming with it all year. I've been saying it all year. Jordan Brand had a subpar 2017, but this 2018 they've been coming with it all year, hands down. No disrespect to the other brands, man. No disrespect to Nike and what they've been doing, because they've been coming with it too. But Jordan Brand has been coming with the fire all year. Definitely, man. But this shoe right here is definitely something you guys should try to get your hands on. It's too fresh, man. Like, the only thing that this whole release is missing is a Travis Scott album to go with it, or a mixtape or something, man. Because these, oh man, they could have rolled these out, man. It's something different, man. They could have been a whole big rollout with an album and everything. You know, Good Music is dropping a lot of music right now. They're supposed to be coming out with 5 albums. 3 of them already came out. You had the Pusha T album, you had the Kanye album, you had the Kanye and Cudi album. Next supposed to be Nas, and then you got Tiana Taylor to end it off, man. Good Music has been doing their thing, man. Travis Scott came out with these, man. I heard some Yeezys coming out at the end of this month also, man. So it's definitely a big last 2 months for Good Music, man. But let me know what you guys think about these, man. Let's talk about it in the comments, man. Leave some comments, man. I want to talk to you guys. Leave some comments below, man. We can have a conversation. I answer all comments, man. So if you feel you want to say something about the channel, something that we're missing, something that we might need to add on, let us know, man. Leave it in the comments below, man. But make sure you share and like this video, man, because I need more people to see these videos, man. I'm doing these videos, you know, bringing things to people's eyes and everything like that, man. You know, show some love back, man. I'm not asking for any money or anything like that, man. Just share the video, man. Tell your friends about the video. You know, just the more people watching it, the better I feel about the videos and the more I can keep going with these videos, man. But with that being said, I'm going to let you guys know where you can find us at, man. You can find us on social media platforms, Instagram and on Twitter, at PENNY_4YT. And if you want to email us about any Penny for Your Thoughts merch, you see I got the black hat with the white P4YT sign with the camo brim, man. You already know, exclusive, man. Reach out to us at our email address at p4yt2016@gmail.com. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.